Hi! Today we're gonna make this cute little sunshine out of Model Magic. It's adorable, it's happy, and it's pretty easy. Let's jump right into it. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is warm up our Model Magic. It works better if it's nice and warm, and it'll make it more pliable. So I always roll it into a ball and get it nice and warm before I start. Now what we're going to do is we're going to squish it so it's in a nice little circle. If you need it a little flatter, you can use a rolling pin or a marker to roll it out a little bit. Alright, and now what we're going to do, little tip. If you roll it out, make sure you pull it off the surface afterwards, because if it got stuck, we don't want it getting too attached. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fingers to pinch. And I'm going to pinch first a point on one side, then I'm going to go to the opposite side. Now I'm going to do the same thing. So now I'm going to go in the other direction. So first I did top, bottom, now I'll do left and right. And I'll make a pinch for a point. I'll make a pinch for a point. So these are going to become the rays of the sun. Now I'm going to go in between each of those and make another. So in between, pinch and point, pinch and point, pinch and point, pinch and point. Now, if you're happy with that amount of points, you can just call it quits. If you want more, you could go in between each of those and add another point. It's all if you're happy with it. Now we're going to roll it out a little bit more with a marker, and then we'll perfect the shape. So I'm kind of just getting this going a little bit. Want a little flatter. Great, and like I said, peel it up. And so now I'm just going to toy with it. Maybe I want this one a little more triangular, and I'm going to pinch it and push it and pull until I'm happy with the shape of all my points. Little rays of the sun, little ray of sunshine. All right, pretty happy with that. I want to tinker with this one a little bit. Beautiful. I think I might add a nice little itty bitty mini point in between all the big points. Now that I've neatened it up. I'm even using my nails to help me. If you have nails, you could see, does it work better if you use your nails? Does it work better without nails? Do you like using a tool to perfect your shapes, or does it work better with your hands? I tend to use my hands for a lot of jobs because I think the warmth really helps. Alright, so I'm happy with my sun shape. So the next thing I'm going to do is make some little rosy cheeks for my sun. So I'm going to grab a little red and warm it up and split it in half and make two little circles and squish them. So I have two little squish circles. Now you could spend forever perfecting the shape. I'm not going to go crazy about this. And squish some cute little cheeks on my sun. And again, I can kind of roll them and change them. This one ended up a little wonky, but that's okay. There we go. Maybe squish them with my finger. And now I'm going to make a little smile. And maybe this isn't the personality you want for your son. Maybe you want a grouchy son. Maybe it's going to frown. I'm in a smiley mood. I'm going to make mine smile. So I rolled out just an itty bitty little snake and make a little curve and squish it down. There we go. And now I'm going to do my eyes. I'm going to try to do my eyes overlapping the cheeks, but you could decide, do you want your eyes up high? Do you want them low? Where do they look best to you? Awesome. I'm going to make them pretty big. I like big eyes. And now I'm going to add some little eyebrows to make a little expression. Just a little line for each of them. Perfect. All right. So that gets all of our basics out of the way. I think I want this a little wider. So I'm going to push it just with my fingers gently Make it a little wider. I think I'm gonna just gently squish my mouth. You can really tinker with all of this. It's changeable, so maybe I want my mouth a little flatter and wider, and I can just kind of push it that way. Maybe I want cheeks a little further apart. You can just squish it a little bit. There's nothing that you can't play with. Perfect. And you know what, you could even do this differently with eyes. Maybe you want to make those into big giant sunglasses. There's so many options. So now you're at the point where you can decorate. Maybe you would mix some purple or some green and add little decorations. Maybe I'll take some blue and I'll add some little dots or lines to make some details. Maybe I'll decorate each of the rays. Maybe I'll actually use a marker to decorate instead. And one thing I'd suggest with the marker, it tends to fade a little bit after it's dried. So after it's dried, anything that you want bolder again, because it's faded a little bit, just go after it again with a marker again after it's dried. Just another layer with a marker will fix that right up. Alright, so I'm just adding the last couple of details with the blue. Okay. You know what? Now I am feeling very tempted to do those sunglasses. Let's give it a try. Why not? We're here. So here's where I had the eyes. So now I'm just going to, I think, extend it to make a bigger shape and more rectangular shape. Then I can do some lines out to make the edges of sunglasses. I can connect it in the middle. Cool. Now I think I'm just going to squish it a little bit with the marker. There we go. So you could play with this so many ways, add so many details. I hope you have fun making a cute little sunshine. I can't wait to hear about your amazing work. Have fun. See you in the next one.